Today we are making a lighter twist on a classic treat, a blueberry cake with a sweet crumble topping. It's easy, it's delicious, and it won't leave you with a sugar crush after. Start by cracking one whole egg into a bowl and add a third a cup of Monkfruit sweetener. Whisk them together until smooth. Next, stir in half a cup of non-fat Greek yogurt. This adds creaminess without adding extra fat. And 1.5 cups of all-purpose flour. A teaspoon of baking powder, and just a pinch of salt. Mix it in. You can also switch the flour for something else like ground oats or almond flour, whichever you prefer. Pour in 3/4 of a cup of milk. Stir until your butter is smooth and ready to go. By the way, I'm using a 2% fat milk. Grease a 9 by 11-inch glass baking dish with a little bit of butter. Then pour in your batter and smooth it out evenly. Now for the crumble topping. Combine a 1/4 cup of flour, 2 tablespoons each of white and brown sugar, and 1 to 2 tablespoons of room temperature butter. Mix it with a fork until it forms small clumps. The more butter you add, the richer the crumble. Less butter gives you a drier, crispier top. It's totally your call. Tap the batter with 1.25 cups, that's about 280 grams of frozen blueberries. You can also use fresh ones, and obviously you can use any fruit you like here. Spread them out evenly. Now sprinkle the crumble over the top. Don't worry if it's a little bit messy. That's the charm. Bake at 350 degrees Fahrenheit, that's about 180 degrees Celsius, for 45 to 60 minutes. Every oven is a bit different, so just keep an eye on it. The center should be fully cooked and no longer jiggly. Let it cool before slicing. It sets up better as it rests. That said, I won't blame you if you dig in while it's warm and gooey, which I do all the time. This is a lighter alternative to a traditional sugar-loaded cake, and butter or oil loaded cake as well. Still a dessert, but it won't leave you feeling like you need a nap. If you want to cut more calories, you can skip the crumble. But if you're in the mood for that bakery style finish, it's absolutely worth it. This cake makes 8 servings at just 203 calories each. And hey, if you end up eating the whole thing, that's about 1600 calories. No judgment here.